for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason. You throw it out, you stop caring about.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous highlight wig. Today's hair sponsor is YGWigs. I have an 18-inch body wave ombre highlight wig. This is a 5x5 closure. It's in 180% density.
Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
You guys could only see the madness that goes on behind the scenes, like the mess. You would not believe it. I'm gonna be using the Kiss Almighty Bond. This. I haven't done glue in a while. I think what I'm gonna do is just 2 coats today.
And I know that you really tried, yeah, to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once.
The closure is pretty deep, and it's a pretty big closure, like I think it's 5x5. Okay guys, so the rest of it I'm not going to be talking. We're just gonna style the wig and then come back and close off the video and give my final thoughts. But so far it's looking pretty good. She's looking pretty snatched.
Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason. You throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
I got a comment recently asking me what my lip combo was, and I couldn't remember for the life of me because I always change it up. But some of the basics that I always use is MAC Plum lip liner and MAC Chestnut, and also Cork with whatever, you know, base. And I love these Maybelline lip glosses. I am really loving this wig for a number of reasons. One of the first reasons why I really like this wig is because it's a closure, and it is a beautifully constructed closure wig. It is a deep 5x5 parting space, so she's giving frontal vibes and with very little effort. All we did to this unit was spray some Sally Hansen airbrush legs, and I used, is there a color on this? I don't know. I used Tan Glow. Okay, so that's what I used on the roots because I noticed that this wig was styled so beautifully and curled so nicely. Like, I just didn't want to disturb that curl pattern by bleaching her, so I just wanted to do a fresh out of the box install. Now, the knots are not bleached on this wig, so you will have to go in and bleach the knots if you want it to look ultra realistic, but it's still giving HD. And we actually installed her using glue this time. I know I don't usually like to do glue. I just don't like wearing ball caps, and I find that when you use glue, it's just a whole lot of mess, and I need all the edges I can get, you guys. The highlights on this unit, on this ombre wig, is absolutely gorgeous. Now, there are a number of colors going on, but the main focus is this blonde streak right here, face framing your face. So we wanted to leave it parted down the middle. As I comb through the curls, you can see the wig is definitely getting bigger and fuller. So if you want her very full, you can definitely do that by just combing through her like this. It is gonna look a bit more messy, but you know, with big curls like this, it's okay. We have the dark color, so the natural black on the root, and then we have more of like the brassy coppery color on the sides, but then we have the two blonde streaks as I mentioned earlier, and then throughout the back we have some more black as well. So really, really pretty. I'm gonna show you guys the back. This is what the back is looking like. Guys, it is a gorgeous wig. The hair is very soft on it, and I'm so impressed with the construction of the wig. It's a very well-made wig. There's no shedding as I run my hands through it. One hair. So that is not bad at all. The wig does not have any foul smell or anything. It is not dry at all. As you guys can see, there's a nice luster to this wig. It's just a really beautiful wig, and the 18 inches is sitting really nicely. I think it is a true 18 inch. Quite impressed with this wig, you guys. My camera is about to overheat because my room is like 500 degrees. Don't know why I have it up so high, but I gotta run. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It really goes a long way. See you next time. Bye.